Welcome to e-jigsaw website. This is a tutorial video for both design and the usage of the website. This project is done by Ahmed, Jie, and Jawan. As you can see, our project is about a website that enables ESL learners to improve their English competence. This platform is based on two main ideas: building a collaborative learning environment and incorporating jigsaw concept into this learning experience. When you open the website homepage, you will need to sign in or sign up as a teacher or a learner. Then you will be led to the profile page. In this page, you will have your personal information and check your calendar about the assignments, your formal works, and announcements here. With the instructions provided from your website instructors, you check the accordingly learning content under the menu. You may need to download it or print it out for reading and preparing. After that, you need to go to the collaboration part. Read instructions, then click Get Start to begin communication, or just wait for a while and then click Discussion. You will see what your role is, how much time left, with your discussion questions on the right side. And you can also take notes, check vocabularies, send text to your group mates, or ask for instructors' help during discussion. After the first group discussion, click Next Discussion button for sharing what you found in the first discussion. You will also see your former notes and take more notes down. When the time ends, you need to click Back First Group button and then work together for your group presenting material. Finally, one group member submit the work after the discussion, and then when you choose the evaluation button, you will see every group's work and you can leave comments and like whichever you want. We also provided tools for checking vocabularies. Chat with your peers and search help with teachers and some presenting tools. So, why jigsaw? After investigating some problems remaining among ESL learners in traditional classes and some existing online platforms, we think jigsaw is a great way for online discussion. It promotes every practice language in group discussion. So in this platform, we aim at providing a sociable environment to promote English language learners in communicating with others. About our design rationales, we divided them into 4 parts. First, about research. Here you can find some information about our project goal and objectives, problem definitions, the comparison about existing tools and systems, and the design for user research. For the second part, modeling. Here you can find some information about user models, what users think about online collaborating tools, and our workflow model using card sorting for separating content into menu bars. In the third part, about research requirements. Here you can find some information about 3 scenarios, 2 students and 1 teacher, and the included requirements in this platform. The final part is design framework. Here you can find some information about interaction frameworks and a visual design framework. Last but not least, click About Us. You can get in touch with us and every feedback will be appreciated. Thank you so much for choosing us. Let us e-jigsaw together.